Good morning, first grade. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. Today is Monday. There's a little bit of glare there. Today is Monday, October 26th, 2020. It is the 38th day of school, so I've added another penny to our coins. Today, your special is library at 11:45. And for our holiday harvest theme week, if you would like to come to our first class this morning, our 10 a.m. class, wearing your favorite Halloween shirt or your favorite fall color, if you'd like, for fun. So that is the theme for today. And let's go ahead, and if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, and then I'll run through the schedule. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, excellent. So today, coming out first thing, you will see a new fluency passage where you'll be able to listen to us reading the passage, and it will be from our new Wit and Wisdom text. So that will be one activity, but that will really just be introducing it, and then you will practice it, try to practice it at least every day, and then I'll let you know when it's time to record it. But the fluency passage will come from our new text in reading called That Book Woman. So you will get the fluency activity that you can just send back when you're finished. You don't have to do anything on it. Then you will get a Wit and Wisdom reading, learning video and response, which will be listening to our new story and then responding with something you wondered about as you were listening to the story. And we're going to use Flipgrid again for you to record what your question is or was while you were listening to the story. And just a reminder with the Flipgrid, the videos come to me first. So if you record and post your video, you won't see it show up right away in the class discussion. As soon as I get it and I see it, I'll approve it, and then it will show up. So I know some of us thought that it wasn't working or something was wrong, but it was just that I had to approve it first. So don't worry if you don't see it right away. So you have the new fluency passage, the Wit and Wisdom, listening to the new book for reading, and then your application problem for math, like normal. That will all be at 9. There will also be an optional Flipgrid question that you could do any day this week if you would like, and it's just optional. This week's question was, if you could create the perfect app, what would your app do? So you can check out my answer if you would like. All right, then we will have our 10 a.m. Live class. We'll do word building. We have a nice short letter list for today, so hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for you. We have the letters that you'll need: A, B, G, I, P, R, T. So if you could please bring those letters and a blank dictation paper to our 10 a.m. class, that would be great. And then we will meet again at 1 for math, and that will be our Monday. So let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help, and can't wait to see everybody soon. Bye.